What's up guys, my name is Andres and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to talk about Razer company and analyze its stock. If you want to buy the stock, it is in the Hong Kong exchange with the code 133 and 7. So what does Razer do? It's a company with focus on three areas. The mainly is the hardware, that is the most of the people know the company, and it is the mainly force of the revenue. More than 90% come from the hardware. So they sell gaming gears like headphones, mounts, gaming laptops and other things. Also for streaming they have cameras, microphones. As you know, the gaming market has exploded a few years ago and more aggressively since COVID. Today's gaming industry has a market cap of 173 billions and it expects to grow for 2026 over $314 billion. If we see the reviews about their products are pretty good. On Amazon they have most of their products 4.5 to 5 star, as well on Best Buy website. So most of the people love their products, also because they make their design kind of unique, if we can say, because they put RGB LEDs. So the second field is the software. It is an area where Razer offers an app called Razer Cortex, and the user can boost their game for a better performance. Also find new offers in this app which they can buy and sell some games, and also to optimize the PC system. Additionally, Razer offer other apps like streaming application, audio, RGB, lighting settings, and advanced settings for mouse and keyboard, that is for gamers. The third field is service. The Razer target the young generation, millennials and Generation Z by offering payment services, and they divided this area into fields. The first one is the Razer Gold. In few words, it's a virtual currency where the user can purchase games on the Razer page, like most of the video games that you have to acquire their virtual currency. Well, it happens with a Razer Gold. And the second field is the fintech. Razer Fintech is an offline to online digital payments, and they acquire a license from Visa and MasterCard to start direct card processing in Malaysia before expanding to Singapore and Philippines. The company tries to keep growing in South Asian markets, which Taiwan and Philippines has approved its use. Singapore has already used this service, and Thailand only use Razer Gold. So let's see its financial. The revenue has grown from 320 million to 1.2 billion dollars, almost 4x. Although the gross margin has decreased on the last few years, the last quarter increased from 22 to 27%. Moreover, the last quarter they got $752 million, which is 62% of the total revenue. The total revenue of the last year in just one quarter. That was a pretty good result. And if we compare it with Corsair, they had in the last quarter only 473 million in revenue. The company outlook is to keep investing in growth. Few weeks ago they present new products. They want to increase the hardware margins, keep expanding in the service area, where the fintech is where the CEO Millian Tang has a big confidence. Additionally, they will continue to buy shares outstanding, which is a good signal that the company think that the stock is underpriced. However, I only saw two things to watch out, two red flags. that, well, in 2019 the management team sold some of their share, showing a lack of commitment to the company and to the projects. And the company has a huge shares outstanding. Just to compare with two company, Logitech has 179 million shares outstanding and Corsair 94 millions, and Razer only have 8.7 billion shares, so it's pretty huge. So the company is immensely diluted, which means it's a lesser portion for the company, also less earnings per share and higher PE ratio. And if we see the growth of the shares outstanding from 2017, the company had 5.3 billion shares and now it has 8.7. It's a 74 increase, so it's a huge amount. In conclusion, Razer stock might be an speculative move, not because of their financial, which for me are very strong. Its future outlook seems excellent. I have my concern about its shares outstanding. Like I said before, this aspect is underestimated by many investors, but with a huge amount is something to take into account. My take is, well, I bought some shares in the Hong Kong exchange. The minimum amount for what I recall is 1,000 shares if you want to buy it. And, well, like I said before, for me the gaming industry is going to grow in this decade exponentially. Even that they have a huge amount of shares outstanding, for me the Razer is one of the biggest competitors out there in the market. And, well, this is it. This is the video. If you like it, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do it. I'm going to upload future videos the next week. And if you want to drop a comment about if you like the video, if you're going to invest, or you are interested in some specific stock, you can drop a comment down below. And I see you in the next